In this video I will show you some of the basic ways to use the align and distribute functions in Photoshop. You can use the align and distribute tool on images, texts, and shapes. 1. Aligning an object in the middle of the canvas area. To align an object within the document canvas, you can just drag the image into the middle. But the problem is that it is difficult to tell if the object is perfectly aligned in the proper area or in the center of the document. The easiest way to do that is to select the canvas document and use the align tool to evenly position it vertically and horizontally. To do that, you may go to select and choose all. You may also use your keyboard by pressing Ctrl+A. You will notice that there is a marquee around your document. Next, select your Move tool. From there, you will see in the options bar that the alignment functions will appear. You may now select the Align Vertical Centers. Then the Align Horizontal Centers. To deselect, press Ctrl+D on your keyboard. 2. Aligning an object in the middle of the canvas area using Snap. Using the Snap option, you can also align your object. It is like moving your object freely around the canvas. To do that, go to View and choose Snap. Make sure that the selections under Snap to are checked. Now, using your Move tool, move your image into the center of the canvas. You will notice that there's a purple line guide. It shows that your image is in the center of the document, either horizontally or vertically. Now slowly move the image into the center of the canvas, until you see the purple line guide for both horizontal and vertical. When you see them both, that means your object is in the center of the document. 3. Aligning multiple objects. To align multiple objects vertically on your canvas, you may need to select all of those layers that you want to align. To do that, hold the Control key on your keyboard and start selecting the layers. In this tutorial, I will select them all. Then, in your options bar, choose the Align Horizontal Center. Same procedure with the vertically aligned objects. All you need to select is the Align Vertical Center. You may also align those objects to top, right, bottom, and left. Since we are not aligning those objects to the canvas, the reference point or those object that is close to the side. For example, if we align all objects to the top, the number 1 ball will be the reference object, since it is positioned at the very top of the document. Same with the other sides of the alignments. 4. Aligning a single object. This alignment method is almost similar to aligning objects in the middle of the canvas. But instead, it will align in a specific area of the image. In this example, I need to align the number 1 ball in the middle of that white area. The problem is that there are no reference objects on which we can base the alignment. The key to that is the marquee tool. It doesn't matter if it is the rectangular or the elliptical marquee, as long as you can set a middle point for it. Let us use the rectangular marquee and trace the white area. Then choose your Move tool. When the alignment tools are available, you may now choose both vertical and horizontal alignment. 5. Distribute equally, horizontally or vertically. The distribute method allows you to evenly add spaces between objects. Let us select all the layers in this example. Then just choose Distribute Horizontally in your options bar. That will also apply to vertical distribution. Photoshop will calculate the distance between point A and point B, where point A is the leftmost image and point B is the last image. Then the other layers or objects will be distributed equally. 6. Distribute, align and align center in canvas. Last is the combination of distribute, align and aligning them all in the middle of the canvas. First, let us select all the layers. Then distribute them horizontally. Next, choose the vertical alignment. Here we cannot immediately select the canvas and align it to the middle of the document. Otherwise, they will just be overlapped objects in the middle of the canvas. Let us see what it will look like. It will be properly aligned in the center of the canvas, but the objects will overlap with one another. The best way to do this is to group them first. To do that, while all the layers are selected, press Ctrl+G on your keyboard. When all the layers are inside a folder, we can now select the entire document and apply the vertical and horizontal alignment. If you have any suggestions, comments, or ideas, please feel free to write them in the comments section below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.